welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to share how I pack for vacation. My husband, myself, and our oldest son are flying to New Orleans for a long weekend. We're going to be there for 4 days, 3 nights, and our flight on the way home doesn't leave until 7 p.m. But we have to check out of the Airbnb that we're staying at 11 a.m., which means that we are going to have to carry all of our luggage around all day with us. I wanted to challenge myself to fit everything into a personal item and a backpack.
First, let's start with the backpack that I selected. This came off of Amazon. It was around $50. I liked it because it had a specific spot for your shoes. It had several compartments. The back was really plush and looked like it was going to be comfortable on my back and my shoulders. It had several buckles, and then a cool bonus feature is that it had this little USB port on the side so that you could put in a power bank. It doesn't come with a power bank, but you could put a power bank inside and charge your phone or other devices during the trip. I also ordered a set of 7 packing cubes from Amazon as well. Everything will be linked in the description box down below if you're interested in these exact items. These looked like they were going to be perfect. I thought that I would be able to fit all of the items that I needed between these and keep items separated and like item with like item. Starting with clothes, I knew I wanted a very neutral palette. As I've mentioned, I do have a capsule wardrobe, so clothes I thought was actually going to be fairly easy to pack, just the basic necessities. I went with 2 t-shirts, both v-necks, one in black, one in white. These are both from Aries. I also elected to take 2 long sleeve tees, both from Viore, also one in black and one in white. I opted for 2 pairs of pants, 1 black pair of leggings, and 1 black pair of joggers. I knew that both of these would be super versatile base layers and also be comfortable. The majority of what we're going to be doing is very casual, and leggings, t-shirts, joggers are going to be perfectly acceptable. I did want to pack 1 dress. I went with this green REI dress. This particular dress is not still available, but it's short-sleeved and has a defined waist. I thought that while it would be very comfortable, it would also be something that I could dress up. Additional items that I included: a slip in a neutral color that can go under the dress, as well as a pair of bike shorts if I opt to work out. The Airbnb that we're staying at does include a gym, and my fantasy self always thinks that I'm going to work out when I go on a trip. We'll see if I end up using those. Finally, I packed 1 pair of pajamas. I wanted to have shorts and a tank top, as well as a long sleeve shirt that I could put over the top of my pajamas so that I was a little bit more covered up in the evening when we're all spending time together as a family. Finally, I am packing some undergarments. Your standard bras, underwear, and socks will be coming with me on the trip as well. It is expected to rain during part of our stay, so I wanted to include a jacket. I went with a down jacket that is packable so that I could fit it into the backpack and I didn't have to wear it on the flight. In addition to the shoes that I will be wearing on my travel day, I'm also packing 1 additional pair of sneakers. I have made the mistake in the past of packing shoes that are cute but not functional. On this trip, I knew we were going to be doing a ton of walking, so I only brought shoes that I was comfortable walking extended periods of time in. For accessories, I am only bringing 1 pair of earrings that I will wear on travel day, 1 necklace, as well as a personal item. I'm going to be using this purse. I found this at TJ Maxx. It was $15, and I think that it's going to be perfect for the trip. I wanted something that was compact, but also had some different dividers within the bag and was able to be zipped at the top to make sure that everything is secure. Starting with my personal item, I am going to be packing this tote. I'm doing this for 2 reasons. Anytime I go shopping, I do like to have my own reusable bag. This folds up very small and is something that I always keep in my purse. My other thought was that if I ended up having more items that I picked up at the airport that wouldn't fit into my purse, I could use this tote as my personal item and I could shove my purse into it. In addition, I am bringing 1 pair of sunglasses. Normally I keep them in a case, but that was not going to fit into this small handbag. I am also bringing a small first aid kit. I like to make sure that I always have Band-Aids anytime I'm traveling in case my feet get uncomfortable, I get a blister. I'm also including some pain relief in case I get a headache, some extra cash in case I need to pick anything up at the airport or for tipping Uber drivers, a chapstick. This is from Ben's Soap Company. Final thing I forgot to mention are these AirPods. Yes, I have a giant AirTag on my AirPods because I'm irresponsible and I lose them all the time. So my husband bought this for me so that I could ping my AirPods, which makes them unbelievably bulky. But I am going to put them into this bag so that I have them with me on the plane, as well as my cell phone, but I film my videos on my cell phone, so I can't show that. But in the bag, it's also going to be AirPods and a cell phone. Face and body care, I am bringing a CeraVe healing ointment for my lips and eyes, a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream lotion for my body and hands, a headband to pull my hair back when I wash my face, a miniature container of moisturizer. This is Youth to the People, Elemis cleansing balm. I like to do a double cleanse, so I always pack a cleansing balm as well as a face wash, and a pack of the resurfacing pads from Elemis as well. For bathroom essentials, I'm packing 3 flossers, a toothbrush, toothpaste, supplements. I have 1 pack of supplements that I take every morning, as well as 1 set that I take every evening, tweezers, my razor as well as razor heads, a travel bar of soap. I like the Ben's Soap Company soaps, and I also have this little mesh bag that I can put any remaining soap in to bring it home with me. And here's where it gets a little extra. I am also packing a nail file. I use the press-on paper nail polishes, so I'm bringing some backups in the color that I'm currently wearing, as well as a pair of fingernail clippers. A travel container with some Q-tips inside, my deodorant. I wish that this came in a travel size, but I have not been able to find the deodorant I use in a travel size. My contact case, and I have this little container that I use to carry it. It comes with a mirror in case I need to refresh my contacts when I'm on the plane. A backup pair of contacts. I've never actually needed these on vacation, but I'm terrified that I'm going to tear a contact when I'm on vacation and have to wear my glasses the entire time and just be uncomfortable, so I always pack a backup set of contacts. For liquids, I am bringing the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, Milk Hydro Facial Primer, a travel size of contact solution, a travel size of the Living Proof shampoo, as well as a travel size of the Living Proof conditioner. A travel size of perfume. This is not the perfume that I ordinarily wear, but I've had this little bottle forever, so I decided I'd just try to use it up on this trip. Sunscreen is very important to me, so I always pack a variety of different sunscreens. I have a lotion, a facial sunscreen, an aerosol sunscreen, I'm also packing my makeup. I've talked in other videos about my makeup, but it does all fit into this little bag. Throughout the day, continuing the sunscreen theme, I will apply a thin layer of this powdered sunscreen, and I'm also packing a hand sanitizer. In the evening, I will take out my contacts, so I'm bringing my glasses as well as my glasses case. For my hair, I am packing my curling iron, a claw clip, a hairbrush, travel size of dry shampoo, a travel size of the Living Proof Volume Blast, a travel size of hairspray. These are not normally the brands of dry shampoo and hairspray that I use, but I did find them at TJ Maxx in travel size, so that's why I went with this. Bobby pins, a hair tie, and a hair scrunchie. For electronics, I am bringing my charger for my Apple Watch, a charger for my cell phone, and a power bank. And at the last minute, I decided to include a sleep mask as well as a water bottle. I'll just fill this up once I get to the airport and I'm through security. Here's an overview of everything once it was packed in individual travel bags, and where in my alternate reality, this was all going to fit in separate compartments inside of one backpack. You're about to watch me struggle. I then decided I was going to scrap the whole video, stop filming, and took off my sweater because I was sweating, and then got back to problem solving, consolidating everything, rolling my clothes, and finding a solution to get it to all fit. I knew I was gonna have to remove the curling iron from the other toiletry bags and consolidate all of my bathroom and toiletry items into my second packing cube. The bottom of the bag has a designated area for shoes. I did put my extra pair of tennis shoes in the bottom, as well as all of my electronics. So I put in my power bank and both of my charging cords. My curling iron would fit in here, so I ended up sticking my curling iron in the bottom of the bag as well. I consolidated all of my clothes, my down jacket, and my undergarments into this one large cube. I did end up having to roll all of my clothes so that everything would fit. I opened up the main part of the bag, and that center section that I just pulled over is the area that's holding my shoes, the curling iron, as well as my electronics. I put the clothes on one side and my toiletry items on the other side. Spent what felt like 6 years trying to get the bag to zip with everything in it. And in the back section where it could house a laptop, I put all of my liquid items so that they would be easy to pull out for TSA. My travel outfit is going to be a cardigan so that I have an extra layering piece, a cream colored t-shirt, a white pair of sneakers, I'll wear my Apple Watch, and a green pair of joggers. And while it might have been slightly chaotic, I was able to fit all of the items into the backpack. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking on the icon with my face on the left side of your screen. I will include an additional playlist of all of my capsule wardrobe videos, as well as an additional video that YouTube thinks that you would enjoy. I hope you are all doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!